All right, so I'm live with our third and last break out of eBay. That's a double of platinum 1718. We got break number 3231, platinum double box break. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. All right, so first box. Here we go. The rookie for the Blues, Valley Uso. We got Toronto Maple Leafs, Kylie Rosen. Buffalo, Alexander Nylander. Boston, Anders Chuck. LA, Michael Amadio. Flyers, Robert Agg. Blues, Tage Thompson. Winnipeg, Eric Comrie. Minnesota, Luke Cunnin. Montreal, Victor Mete. Montreal, Nikita Sherbak. Colorado, Samuel Girard. Florida, Owen Tippett. And we got Florida, Henrik Palma. Inserts. We've got the Pittsburgh Penguins, Matt Murray. New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Rainbow for the St. Louis Blues rookie, John Schmaltz. We've got a rainbow for the Edmonton Oilers, Cam Talbot. Winnipeg Jets, Jack Roslovic. We've got a marquee rookie red prism, 69 out of 199, Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Just. Boston Bruins, Daniel Chara. Toronto Maple Leafs, Daniel Sittler. Winnipeg Jets, Nikolai Ehlers. Rookie for Dallas, Remy Eli. Rainbow for the Anaheim Ducks, Teemu Selanne. Teemu, we need to see his helmet, so he's got a Anaheim Ducks logo on his helmet. Next, we get a 5 out of 25, Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. Buffalo Sabres, Kyle Okposo. Edmonton Oilers, Mark Messier. Marquee rookie red prism, 187 out of 199, Toronto Maple Leafs, Andreas Borgman. Golden Knights, Alex Tuck. We've got a rookie rainbow autograph for Nashville, Vladislav Kamenev. Nice hit for Nashville. Rainbow from Minnesota, Charlie Coy. LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. Violet Pixel for Chicago, Patrick King. We got a rookie rainbow for the New Jersey Devils, Jasper Brett. And the last hit is a green. You saw it winner. 42 out of 49 for Pittsburgh, Sidney Crosby. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. 42 out of 49 of Crosby. And our second box. There we go. Redemption. Alright, so second box, we got a rookie for the Jets, Jack Roslovic. Pittsburgh, Carter Rooney. Ottawa, Alex Fermenton. Blues, Samuel Bille. Flyers, Nolan Patrick. Flyers, Travis Sunine. New Jersey Devils, Jasper Brett. Blues, Vince Dunn. Canucks, Brock Besser. Islanders, Josh Osang. Colorado, Tyson Jost. Ottawa, Philip Schlepik. Columbus, Pierre-Luc Dubois. And we've got Chicago, Alex Abrincat. Alright, answers now. We've got the LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky. Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. Rainbow for the Coyotes, Alec Rickman Larson. Marquee rookie rainbow for the Coyotes, Clayton Keller. We've got the Montreal Canadiens, Jonathan Drouin. Rainbow for Montreal, Alex Galchenyuk. Marquee rookie, Violet Pixel, New Jersey Devils, Jasper Brett. Red Prism, 192 out of 199, Carolina Hurricanes, Scott Darling. Buffalo Sabres rookie, Alexander Nylander. We've got the Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Red Prism, 166 out of 199 for the Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. We've got a rainbow for the Sharks, Logan Couture. Toronto Maple Leafs, Frederick Anderson. Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Rainbow for the Rangers, Kevin Ace. New York Islanders rookie, Josh Osang. Violet Pixel for the New Jersey Devils, Tyler Hall. Rainbow for Columbus, Sergei Bobrovsky. We got a red prism, 139 rookie, Colorado Avalanche, JT Comfort, and Relaxit. OPG Platinum Red Prism Rookie Auto out of 50 for Buffalo. Alexander Nylander, nice for Buffalo. Red Prism Rookie Auto out of 50 Nylander. Alright, so that was break 32-31. Double of Platinum. So let's have a look at our base cards. And make sure those are all base and only base. Alright, second box. Alright, so that's it for eBay. Are we good to go now? Platinum? So we got it at After Platinum live on Facebook. Many teams left, so go pick your team, guys. Thanks.